Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about QuickBooks Working Capital, how you can actually get up to $150,000 in business funding for your business. We'll talk about what you need to have and also a little bit of data points from speaking with some of the reps on the approvals and how it works. So if you want to see more videos about business funding, business credit, business grants, personal credit, and more, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, we have a business funding training down in the description that you could also take a look at, that's going to teach you about business credit and business financing, how you can get that for your business, even if you are a startup. Link is down in the description. So this is going to be a very quick video. So how this works is QuickBooks will do a soft pull on your personal credit. They will also look at your business credit reports. They're going to be pulling Experian on both sides. So you'll need to have at least decent personal credit. So you'll need to have at least fair credit. As you can see, you can get up to $150,000. The terms are from 6 months to 18 months. And as you can see here, if you click on fair credit, these are the type of rates that you can look at as far as what you're going to be paying in interest, which is kind of high. If you have average credit, it's going to go down to close to 22%, good credit 13%, and it kind of breaks down what the interest would be if you actually took the entire term to pay back that loan. Also, what they're going to be looking at is your QuickBooks account. So if you do not have a QuickBooks account, you will not be able to apply for this particular loan, because they're going to be looking at your QuickBooks account. They're going to be looking at your profit and loss. They're going to be looking at all of the transactions, as well as your primary business bank account connected to your QuickBooks account. And also, you will need to have made at least $50,000 over the last year in your business. Now, another thing is they will deny you if you have a lot of inquiries, and you can also possibly get denied if you have a lot of recent new accounts on your personal credit. So that's something to keep in mind. Also, if you don't get approved for the QuickBooks Capital, they also have a marketplace where they have other lenders that you could possibly get approved through. Here are some more data points under the FAQ. So if you click where it says, how does QuickBooks Capital determine your eligibility for business funding? They look at several different factors. Like I said, they're going to look at your personal and business credit, but they look for a minimum of a 620 FICO score, which is considered fair credit. Also, you should not have any bankruptcies on your business or personal reports in the last 2 years. So that's just a little bit more about the minimum requirements. Also, is this a personal guarantee? Yes, because they're going to be looking at your personal credit and using your personal credit as well, and your personal information as well as the business information. And also, they will be reporting this particular loan to the business credit reporting agencies. I believe they're going to be reporting to only Experian for right now. So that's going to help you build up your Experian business credit report. Also, QuickBooks Capital is only available in 49 states. They are not available in Alaska at this time. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos.